Hey guys, since I always get a lot of question about my braces, come along with me to the Ortho for my monthly braces maintenance. I go to Dr. Yanisee. She's Cuban, plus she's cool and fun. I'm sure you guys have seen all the TikToks we've done. I'm really not that picky when it comes to choosing the color of my elastic. I pretty much have chosen all my favorites already, so today I'm gonna choose a red, kinda. For years I wanted braces, but I couldn't afford it, and now that I can, I was like, yeah, why not? Let's just do it. I actually wanted to get veneers, but Dr. Yan said my teeth are pretty good, just a little braces, and they'll be perfect. Here's what my teeth look like before braces. I mean it bad, but it's not really bad, just a few spaces. Gotta put on a little chapstick, because you know your lips might get dry because your mouth open for so long. Pause. First, she unwind the inner wire because you know you gotta take that out. I felt such relief. Here she is. She's washing off the teeth them. Then she moved to the bottom row, removing all the old elastic. After everything is off and my teeth are clean, she checks them to make sure they're aligning and moving in the proper direction she wants them. Here she's showing me my top row is finally aligned with my bottom row, which I'm really excited about. And it was just the other day I realized that I no longer have a gap, which I'm not mad about because when I was younger, I really hated it. I mean, there were 3 things I hated when I was a teenager: my gap, my pudgy, and my stretch marks. But then when I got older, I realized it really doesn't matter and that I'm bad AF anyway. Period. Anyways, back to the maintenance. Here she is adding a new inner wire, which is placed depending on the movements of the teeth from the previous month and what she's trying to achieve this month. Now on the top and the bottom row, she's adding the elastic chain link. Then she adds the individual elastics on each bracket, top row and bottom row. Now will you look at that? Your girl is all done and ready to go. This whole thing literally did not take that long. It took less than an hour. I said bye to everyone. Then I went to the car to admire how beautiful me look. And I really liked the color elastic that I chose, but I ended up messing it up. Stupid belly me had curry goat about a week later. John, I never see something more about myself.